Hello, everyone. Have you ever felt a little lost when your grandkids start talking about Facebook or Instagram? Maybe you've wondered, what in the world is a tweet? Well, you're not alone. The world of social media can seem a bit confusing at first, but I promise, it's not as tricky as it looks. Think of it like a big friendly get-together, but online. You can share pictures of your garden, see what your grandkids are making for dinner, or even wish your niece a happy birthday. By the end, you'll be surprised how simple it is to connect with loved ones, share your own stories, and discover all the joys that social media has to offer. One of the most wonderful things about social media is its ability to bring people closer together. Imagine this, your grandson is studying abroad in Italy. You wake up, grab your phone, and there he is on your screen, standing in front of the Trevi Fountain. You can comment on his picture, tell him to have a wonderful time, and share that memory with him in an instant. It's like having a window into their lives, allowing you to share their joys, offer your support, and strengthen those precious family bonds. So, what exactly is social media? Think of it as a big, bustling online community center. On these platforms, you can create your own personal page, kind of like a digital scrapbook. You can share updates about your life, post pictures of your latest adventures or your cat doing something adorable, and see what your friends and family are up to as well. Now, you might be thinking, why should I bother with social media? Well, the benefits go far beyond simply seeing what everyone had for breakfast. Though, let's be honest, those food pictures can be fun. It's a wonderful way to bridge the distance and feel closer to family and friends, no matter where they are in the world. All right, are you ready to dive into the world of Facebook? It's easier than you think. Remember, millions of people have done this before you, and they all started right where you are now. First things first, you'll need a computer, tablet, or smartphone with an internet connection. Once you're online, open your web browser. It might be called Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in www.facebook.com. Hit the enter key, and just like that, you'll be taken to the Facebook homepage. See, you're already on your way. Now that you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll see a big button that says Create New Account. Go ahead and give that a click. A form will pop up asking for some basic information. You'll enter your first and last name, your email address, and you'll choose a password. When it comes to choosing a password, think of something easy for you to remember, but tricky for others to guess. Once you've filled in all the blanks, double check to make sure everything is accurate, and then click the sign up button. You're almost there. Congratulations! You've officially created your Facebook account. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. Facebook will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Once you've clicked the confirmation link in your email, you'll be taken back to Facebook where you're personalizing your profile. First up, you'll want to add a profile picture. Choose a recent photo that shows your smiling face. Next, you can add a cover photo. It could be a scenic photo from your travels, a picture of your garden in full bloom, or even a collage of your favorite pictures. Now that you've created your profile, let's step into the heart of Facebook, your newsfeed. Think of it as your own personalized news stream filled with updates, photos, and stories from your friends and family. As you scroll down, you'll see posts from your friends, family members, and even groups or pages you've chosen to follow. The news feed is all about connecting and sharing those everyday moments, big or small. Leave a comment, share a laugh, or simply let your loved ones know you're thinking of them. One of the best things about Facebook is the ability to easily connect with friends and family no matter where they are in the world. At the top of your Facebook page, you'll see a search bar. Simply type in the name of the person you're looking for, and Facebook will show you a list of profiles that match. Once you've found the right person, you can send them a friend request. It's like a virtual knock on their door, letting them know you'd like to connect. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to see their posts in your newsfeed, and they'll be able to see yours. Now that you're connected with your loved ones, it's time to share your own stories and experiences with the world. At the top of your newsfeed, you'll see a box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is your space to share whatever's on your heart, whether it's a funny anecdote from your day, a photo of your blooming garden, or simply a heartfelt message for your loved ones. Click on the photo video button below the text box. Choose a picture from your computer or phone, add a caption if you like, and click post. Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of Facebook, let's explore another popular platform, Instagram. If Facebook is like a friendly chat over coffee, Instagram is like flipping through a vibrant photo album filled with beautiful pictures and snapshots of life's adventures. While Facebook is great for sharing all sorts of updates, Instagram is all about the visuals. It's a place to share your favorite photos and videos. Just like with Facebook, you can access Instagram on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. To share your own pictures and truly join the fun, you'll want to download the Instagram app. Ready to join the world of Instagram? It's just a few taps away. First, you'll need to download the Instagram app from your device's app store. Once the app is downloaded, open it up and you'll be greeted with the sign-up page. Instagram will ask you to sign up with either your email address or your phone number. Now comes the fun part, choosing your username. This is how you'll be known on Instagram, so pick something that reflects your personality or interests. Once you've chosen your username, Instagram will ask if you want to connect with your Facebook friends who are also on Instagram. This can be a great way to find familiar faces right from the start. Congratulations on creating your Instagram account. Now let's dive into the heart of this visual platform, your home feed. Imagine scrolling through a beautifully curated magazine filled with eye-catching photos and videos from people you care about. That's the magic of Instagram. Take your time scrolling through the feed and let your eyes feast on the visual delights. Double tap a photo to give it a like. It's like sending a virtual thumbs up, or leave a comment to share your thoughts or compliments. Now, let's talk about one of Instagram's most engaging features, stories. At the top of your home feed, you'll see a row of circular profile pictures. These are stories from the people you follow. To watch a story, simply tap on the circle and it'll play like a slideshow of photos or short videos. Stories are designed to be ephemeral. They disappear after 24 hours, adding a sense of spontaneity and in-the-moment sharing. To create your own story, tap on the plus sign icon at the top left corner of your home feed. You can then take a photo, record a video, or choose one from your phone's library to share. Now that you're familiar with Facebook and Instagram, let's talk about the heart of social media, connecting with your loved ones. On Facebook, you can easily find your loved ones by typing their names in the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've found them, simply click the Add Friend button to send a friend request. Instagram works a bit differently. Since people use usernames instead of their real names, you might need to ask your friends and family for their usernames beforehand. As you connect with more people, your newsfeed on Facebook and your home feed on Instagram will start to blossom with updates, photos, and stories from those who matter most. One of the most wonderful things about social media is how easy it makes staying in touch, even if you're miles apart. Remember the days of waiting for a letter in the mail? With social media, you can share a quick hello, a funny anecdote, or even just a heartfelt emoji in an instant. On Facebook, you can send private messages to your friends and family by clicking on the messenger icon. It's like having a private chat room where you can share your thoughts, ask how they're doing, or even make plans to catch up over video call. Instagram also offers direct messaging, allowing you to send private messages, photos, and videos to individuals or groups. It's a great way to share a special moment directly with someone, rather than posting it for everyone to see. And don't forget the power of a simple comment, whether it's a heartfelt happy birthday. Now that you're embracing social media, let's talk about safety. Be mindful of your surroundings and take precautions. Don't share personal information like your address or financial details. Share thoughts and photos, but be mindful of personal details. If something feels off, trust your instincts and ask for help. Social media can be a wonderful way to stay connected, share experiences, and brighten your day. But just like with anything else in life, it's important to find a healthy balance. Think of social media as a delicious dessert, enjoyable in moderation, but too much of it can leave you feeling a bit overwhelmed. It's easy to get caught up in scrolling through feeds, watching videos, and reading comments, but remember to step away from the screen and savor the real world around you too. Make time for those activities that bring you joy offline. Spending time with loved ones, reading a good book, tending to your garden, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea while watching the birds outside your window. And remember, you're in control. You get to choose when, how, and how often you engage with social media. Make it work for you, not the other way around. There you have it. You've taken a wonderful journey into the world of social media. Remember that feeling when you first learned to ride a bike or bake your grandma's famous apple pie? Social media is much the same way. Embrace the opportunity to connect with loved ones. So go ahead, post that picture, and let the world see your wonderful self shine online.